Hi, my name is Christopher Jones. I'm a product manager in the Oracle Database Networking, Data Access, and Database Driver Group. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Oracle Database 23AI vector data type in conjunction with the DataFrame functionality of the python-oracledb driver. In my earlier video titled Python DataFrames with Oracle Database for Analysis and AI, I showed how easy it was to fetch and insert data frames directly with the python-oracledb driver. I showed the significant reduction in elapsed time, memory usage, and client CPU usage compared with the previous ways of fetching rows into data frames. In this video, I want to look at code using the database's vector data type. The Oracle Database 23AI vector data type is a powerful tool for AI. This simple example shows a vector with float64 format and a dimension of 3. The comprehensive vector AI search functionality in the database and the ability for vector columns to be fetched directly into Python DataFrames for processing with sophisticated Python packages gives you the option to do processing in whichever compute tier is the best fit. Let's look at some code. To insert into a vector column, you can bind a data frame directly to the execute many method. This gives you the dual benefits of batch insertion that execute many offers with the efficiency of data frames. This sample first creates a table which we're going to insert into, and then it independently creates a data frame in pandas. And at the bottom, it simply binds that data frame into the execute many statement. Finally, we just do a normal query to check that the data was inserted correctly. You can see that the columns were inserted and fetched back directly as Python array data types. Fetching is as simple as with other data types. Here, I'm simply using fetch_df_all to query the vector column and then converting into pandas data frame. And at the bottom, I'm just summing those two vectors and printing the output in pandas. I hope you've enjoyed this video. In the description, you can find useful links and references. Python-oracledb and the Oracle Database 23AI vector data type let you create sophisticated applications. You can choose to run your workloads in Python or using Oracle Database's great inbuilt analytic and AI functionality.